What do you think happens when we die, Keanu Reeves?
I know that the ones who love us will miss us.
John Wick.
Hello, and welcome to today's video about Keanu Reeves, the enigmatic and popular Hollywood actor. Over the years, Keanu has become a household name and has been a part of some of the most iconic films in history. He is known for his unique acting style, charming personality, and his mysterious private life. In this video, we will explore the life and career of Keanu Reeves, from his humble beginnings to his rise to fame, and everything in between. So, sit back, relax, and join us on this journey through the life and times of Keanu Reeves. Early life. Keanu Charles Reeves was born in Beirut, Lebanon, on September 2, 1964, to a British mother and a Hawaiian Chinese father. His family moved around a lot when he was a child, living in places like Australia and Canada, due to his father's work as a geologist. Unfortunately, Keanu's father abandoned the family when he was just 3 years old, leaving his mother to raise him and his two sisters on her own. Growing up, Keanu had a keen interest in hockey and was even on his high school's team. However, his real passion was acting, and he started performing in school plays and local theater productions. After finishing high school, Keanu attended several acting classes and workshops, determined to pursue his dream of becoming an actor. Rise to fame. Keanu's first break came when he was cast as the lead in the 1986 film, River's Edge. Although the film didn't do well at the box office, Keanu's performance was praised by critics, and it led to him being cast in several other films, including Dangerous Liaisons and Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure. However, it was his role as the time-traveling slacker, Ted, in Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure, that really put Keanu on the map. The film was a huge success, and Keanu's performance as Ted became a cultural phenomenon. He reprised the role in the sequel, Bill and Ted's Bogus Journey, which was also a hit. Keanu continued to land roles in high-profile films, including Point Break, Speed, and The Devil's Advocate. However, it was his role as Neo in The Matrix trilogy that cemented his status as an A-list actor. The films were groundbreaking in terms of their visual effects and storytelling, and Keanu's performance as the stoic hero, Neo, was widely praised. Personal life. Despite his success in Hollywood, Keanu has had his fair share of personal tragedies. In 1999, his girlfriend, Jennifer Syme, gave birth to their daughter, Ava, who was stillborn. The couple split up shortly afterward, and tragically, Jennifer died in a car accident the following year. Keanu has been notoriously private about his personal life, rarely discussing it in interviews. He has never been married and has no children, but he has been linked to several high-profile women over the years, including Sandra Bullock and Charlize Theron. Part 4. Legacy. Keanu's career has spanned over 3 decades, and he has starred in some of the most iconic films in history. He has been praised for his unique acting style, which often involves a quiet intensity and a sense of vulnerability. Keanu is also known for his generosity and kindness, with many stories circulating about his acts of goodwill, including donating millions of dollars to the crew members on his films. Despite some of his career failures, Keanu Reeves has remained a beloved figure in Hollywood. His unique acting style and charming personality have endeared him to audiences around the world, and he continues to be one of the most sought-after actors in the industry. While his failures may have been disappointing, they serve as a reminder that even the most successful actors have their share of setbacks. Everything we know about John Wick film series. John Wick is a character that has become a beloved figure in the world of action movies. His rise to fame is largely due to the success of the John Wick movie franchise, which has captured the hearts of audiences around the world. In this part of the video, we will explore how the John Wick movies helped Keanu Reeves rise to fame. A new kind of action hero. One of the reasons why the John Wick movies have been so successful is that they introduced a new kind of action hero. Instead of the muscle-bound, one-dimensional heroes of the past, John Wick is a more complex character. He is a man with a tragic past, seeking revenge for the death of his beloved dog. This makes him a more relatable and sympathetic character, which has helped to draw audiences in. Expertly choreographed action scenes. The John Wick movies are known for their expertly choreographed action scenes. From the intense gunfights to the close quarters combat, the action in these movies is a sight to behold. Keanu Reeves' dedication to performing his own stunts has also helped to make the action scenes more believable and engaging. A unique visual style. The John Wick movies are also known for their unique visual style. The movies use a mix of neon lighting, slow-motion shots, and vivid colors to create a distinctive aesthetic. This visual style helps to make the movies stand out from other action movies, and has helped to create a dedicated fan base. A strong ensemble cast. In addition to Keanu Reeves' standout performance, the John Wick movies also feature a strong ensemble cast. Actors such as Ian McShane, Lawrence Fishburne, and Halle Berry have all made memorable appearances in the movies, helping to add depth and complexity to the story. Conclusion. The John Wick movies have been instrumental in helping Keanu Reeves rise to fame as an action star. By introducing a new kind of action hero, featuring expertly choreographed action scenes, a unique visual style, and a strong ensemble cast, these movies have captured the hearts of audiences around the world. As long as the John Wick movies continue to be successful, Keanu Reeves will continue to rise in popularity as one of the most beloved actors in Hollywood. And there you have it, folks. We've explored the career of Keanu Reeves, from his early beginnings to his rise to fame as an action hero in the John Wick movies. We've also looked at some of his career failures, which serve as a reminder that even the most successful actors have their share of setbacks. Keanu Reeves' dedication to his craft and his unique style of acting have endeared him to audiences around the world. He continues to be one of the most sought-after actors in the industry, and his upcoming projects are eagerly anticipated by fans. Whether you're a die-hard fan or a casual moviegoer, there's no denying that Keanu Reeves has left an indelible mark on Hollywood. From his iconic roles to his philanthropic endeavors, he is a true Hollywood icon. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the career of Keanu Reeves. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on your favorite actors and movies. Until next time, take care and keep on watching.
Like, subscribe and press the bell icon for new updates.